I'm singing this song of freedom. We rise up now that free come in Africa, in Africa. I know that this day would come when the walls of oppression tear down in Africa, in Africa. Burkina Faso, Africa rise up, Africa rise up. Take your stand, today not tomorrow. Africa rise up, Africa rise up. I know we can. Powers in my minds, not outside events. Realize that and so we find strength. We stand up on the battlefield with enough confidence. We say all Africans stand firm and represent.